Hey guys, in this video, we'll learn how to get custom icons without using a custom launcher on our Samsung devices. So basically why we use a Samsung launcher, because these gestures, swipe to go home, for back and for recents, don't work with a custom launcher. This is a One UI 4.0 feature. So if you don't have One UI 4.0, this is not the video for you. So there are a couple of things that you need. Let's get the first thing. Let's go to the Play Store and download an icon pack. I'll download VidCons. So here's VidCons. I believe this is the best icon pack that you have right now. Your opinion may vary. Anyways, let's just install it. After that is done, the second thing that you have to do, you have to get GoodLock. So I have GoodLock right here. I'll give link of GoodLock in the description below. I'll just open up GoodLock and just move to Family tab. So click on Family. You'll have theme park. I'll already have it installed. You can install it. Just click on it. It will direct you to the Galaxy Store and you can install it from there. Anyways, I'll just click on theme park and it'll open in a couple of seconds. So also I'll give a link of the theme park APK in the description below. You can check on your devices if you don't want to install GoodLock. So there are two options: install it via GoodLock or install it as a separate APK. Also, I have checked it on One UI 3 on my Galaxy M52 and icon theming is not working. So if you look at the bottom here, you have theme, you have keyboard, you have quick panel, you have icon, you have volume panel. So what we are interested here is icon. Just click on icon, you'll get this. Now what you have to do is click on create new, and if you want to select a shape, that's fine, but what we are interested in is clicking on icon pack. Now my third party icon pack is displayed here. That's cool. I'll just select VidCons. It says loading image and I'll just click on download. Let's name this, let's say custom. So that's the name, custom, and click on OK. That's done. It's now installing it. In a couple of seconds it will install and you will see the changes. So it says preparing data and it's done. Now what you have to do is click on this custom and apply it. That's it. So as you can see, all my icons are themed. At least most of the icons which are supported by VidCons are themed. Some of the icons are not themed. Let's say I have an app named Jupiter. It's not themed, so it's not displaying anything, but most of my icons are themed. That's pretty cool. So this is how you get custom icons on your default Samsung launcher. Anyways guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, share with the friends, because if you dislike the video, no one would know. That doesn't mean you should dislike the video, just for the heck of it. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.